We are pleased to show you the 2005 Avalanche. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, daytime running lights, fog lights, power sunroof. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, overhead console. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.